Okay guys, welcome to Sasomi's Crypto and Tech. Do subscribe by clicking the subscribe button for updates on latest videos. My name is Solomon Gift, and today I'll be showing you how to participate in the Flamingo DEFI ecosystem. So I would walk you through how to fund your Neoline wallet and how to wrap your Neo, and also how to stake in the Flamingo platform. So this will be like a in-depth step-by-step guide, so just stay tuned while we get to it. So right here with me I have my browser already open, and I'm going to open my Neon wallet right away. So as you can see here, this is my Neon wallet. I had it already opened. You can see the price of Neo and every other information. So what I'm going to do next now is to fund my Neoline wallet, but first I will show you how to download the Neoline wallet on your web browser. So what you need to do next is go to your Chrome browser, and you can check out the Chrome extension. On the search bar you can search Neoline. Now this is the Neoline wallet, a web wallet. I have already downloaded it and I can access it from this point. This is my Neoline wallet. So what I'm going to do next now is to open the Flamingo platform. You can see it here. So here we have the Flamingo platform. You can go through this at your spare time. So what you would want to do first is to wrap your Neo, and for that you need to click on the wrap, after which you would have to connect your wallet. You have MetaMask and you have others, but since we are making use of Neo, we'll be connecting it to our Neoline wallet. So once you click on this, you have the Neoline, and you'll have to log in with your password. That's after you've downloaded the wallet. You can log in. Next, you'll get the notification prompting you to let Flamingo access your Neoline wallet. You have to connect. Now my Neoline wallet is connected to the Flamingo platform. You can see that here. So next I want to see what I have in my Flamingo, in my Neoline wallet, my balance. So right here I have just one Neo, and I have about 9 gas, and my wrapped Neo I have just 2 because I had wrapped one earlier. So what I'm going to do now is to fund my Neoline wallet with more Neo tokens. For this I'll click on the receive, copy the address, now open my Neon wallet. So my Neon wallet I'm going to send. You mustn't make use of the Neon wallet to fund your Neoline. You can make use of any other external exchange, Binance, OKX, any other exchange, Poloniex. Can make use of it to purchase Neo and fund your Neoline wallet. But since I already have Neo in my Neon wallet, I'm making use of this to fund my Neoline. So here I would input the address, and I will input the amount of Neo I want to fund my Neoline wallet with. And let's see, this, for the sake of this tutorial, I just want to make use of, let me see, 9 or 10. So I'll select my transaction fee. So I can now confirm. Next I'll have to sign the transaction since I'm making use of a hard wallet. After which the transaction is waiting to be confirmed on the network. So in a matter of just say a minute, the Neoline wallets would be funded with 10 Neo. Yeah, as you can see, it's here already. That was fast. So you can see it's been funded with 10 Neo. I had just one earlier, it's now 10. So next is to wrap, and just by clicking on the wrapper, you get to wrap. How many Neo do you want to wrap? Let's say 10. Select the asset, it's Neo. You still have other assets here, but what we're interested in is Neo, and we want to wrap, not unwrap. We want to wrap. This is the destination, which is already captured because I'm already connected, and this is what I will get. It's 1-to-1 ratio. So after which you can click the next, and you can see all you're trying to do. You confirm. Next, you'd have to confirm this from your Neoline. After which you click on yes, and in less than 30 seconds it should be confirmed. Okay, so the transaction has been confirmed. Now if you check your Neoline wallet, you should have the equivalent amount of NEO, which is this. We had just 2 before, so we just wrapped 10 more. Now we have 12. So what you want to do next is to stake. So you click on the vote 2, which is the active vote for staking right now. Here you can see the total amount being staked. There's all that's been staked on the vote 2, and right here there's the total assets I have staked currently, and this is showing me the amount of Neo I have, just 1. You can cross-check that with your Neoline wallet. It's just 1 Neo I have, while I have about 12 Neo and about 9 gas. Now this is the total amount of Neo I have. This is the amount I have staked, 125. This is my balance of Neo. This is what's in the vote currently for Neo, total being staked. So right here I can stake more, I can still unstake. So this is for Binance, for unstake via Binance or OKX. This is my claimable FLM so far, and this is for like 24 hours or thereabouts. So what I want to do now, or what you would want to do, is to stake. So I have 12 Neo left, so we just wrapped 10. I want to top up my stake with 10 more Neo. So you just type it 10 and you click on confirm, and of course you would have to authenticate this from your Neoline. And that's yes. So in less than 30 seconds it should be confirmed. Okay, so it's been confirmed. Now as you can see, my total staking amount has increased. Total amount of Neo staked has increased. I have 2 remaining, and the total amount of Neo I have is 137. Total staked 135, and this is the equivalent in USD that has been staked. So you can go through this other information at your spare time, but this is how to participate in the Flamingo Finance DEFI ecosystem. Everything you need to do is here, from how to fund your wallet to how to download the Neoline and how to wrap, and also how to stake in the votes. So thank you very much, and do endeavor to subscribe to our channel. You're welcome.